Meet the TT19 Mini Drone, the compact, colorful, and powerful little flyer that makes every flight an adventure. Designed for both beginners and kids, this drone packs incredible features into a fun, easy-to-use package. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera, the TT19 captures clear, vivid photos and smooth videos, perfect for those learning the art of aerial photography or simply exploring the skies for fun. Featuring 270-degree obstacle avoidance, it detects and dodges obstacles automatically, keeping flight safe and worry-free, even indoors. Perfect for kids or first-time pilots who want to enjoy flying without fear of crashes. With one-key takeoff and landing, headless mode, and gravity sensing, control is effortless. You can even draw your own custom flight paths using the mobile app, or perform stunning 360-degree flips with a single tap. The TT19 also stands out with its personalized UV-printed shell, vibrant, scratch-resistant, and designed to catch every eye. It's not just a drone, it's a statement piece, and the perfect gift for kids or beginners who love creativity and adventure. Compact, foldable, and lightweight, take it anywhere, anytime. Whether you're flying indoors or outdoors, the TT19 Mini Drone delivers safe, stable, and thrilling fun for the whole family. And with our one-on-one customer support, you're never alone. We're here to make sure every flight is smooth and enjoyable. The TT19 Mini Drone, small in size, big on fun, and packed with smart features that make flying easy for everyone.